Welcome all to the video lesson. Today we are going to discuss about Newton's third law of motion. After watching this video, you will be able to define Newton's third law of motion, solving problem related to momentum and velocity, able to discuss different situations dealing with Newton's third law. Before discussing about Newton's third law of motion, let us discuss about first and second law of motion. Newton's first law of motion. Every body undergoes its state of rest or uniform motion in the straight line until and unless it is compelled by an external unbalanced force. Newton's second law of motion states that the force acting on a body will be equal to the product of mass and acceleration of the body. So let us move to our section. Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has equal and opposite reaction. So let us discuss about forces acting between two bodies A and B. So here the body A is exerting a force on the body B, and the same like the body B is exerting a force on body A. So here the two forces are equal and opposite in direction. While jumping from the boat to the shore, you are applying a force on the shore. A force with the same magnitude is applied to the boat that makes the boat move backward. Here, the boy is pushing this ball downwards. It is action force. And the earth is pushing out this ball in the opposite direction but equal in magnitude. This is reaction force. Another one example is a car hitting on the wall. Here, a, here the car impart a force on the wall, and the wall imparts is the same force to the car. While you sitting on the chair, a force is acted on the chair due to your body weight. At the same time, the chair is exerting a force to your body in opposite direction but equal in magnitude. While trying to fit a nail using a hammer on a wood. Here, what is action and what is reaction? The action is hitting by the hammer and the reaction is motion of the nail into the wood. The same action force and reaction force is something that help the bird to fly through the air. Here, the bird is applying a force constantly downwards to the air. At the same time, a force in equal magnitude and opposite in direction is acted towards the wing of the bird, help the bird to fly through the air.
A bullet of mass 0.002 kg is fired from a gun of mass 2 kg. After fired from the gun, bullet moves with a velocity of 1000 km per second. Calculate the recoil velocity of the gun. Mass of the bullet M1 is equal to 0.002 kg. Mass of the gun M2 is equal to 2 kg. Velocity of the bullet V1 is equal to 1000 meter per second. We know the formula M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2, the conservation of momentum. Hence, thank you for watching the video.